But I thought to myself, why pay $30, $40, or even $60 for a haircut when I have scissors, two functioning hands, and the overconfidence of a YouTube warrior? Google said it's easy. YouTube said it's therapeutic. The internet has never let me down before. Then I watched a tutorial titled, "How to Cut Your Hair at Home Like a Pro, No Experience Needed." And suddenly, I was a licensed stylist in my head. I had the swagger of a salon artist and the scissors of a kitchen drawer, so I sectioned my hair just like the video said. I did the twisty thingy. I snipped once, then twice. Then, something unholy happened. I blinked, and suddenly I had two personalities. Left side, corporate chic. Right side, oops, my toddler helped. I kept trimming to balance it out. Mistake number 1, and 2, and 3. Basically, it turned into a reverse mullet. Party in the front, panic in the back. Therefore, I now own 7 hats. I wear them proudly. Fashion statement? No, it's a lifestyle now. I'm hat-core, hat-fluencer. Hair? I don't even know her. And yes, I ended up at a real salon anyway. She said she's seen worse. I think she was lying to comfort me. The moral of the story? Just because you can doesn't mean you should. Confidence is temporary. Regret is layered, like bad bangs. But hey, at least it was free.